Hi guys! Are you looking for a non-alcoholic, super easy to make and delicious drink recipe? Well, I got it for you. A delicious homemade lemonade. First, you will need about 100 milliliters of freshly pressed lemon juice. As you can see here, you don't necessarily need a juicer for that, because you can just press the juice with your hands. Then you want to add the sugar and sieve the juice into a small pot. Shake it like this a little so that all of the sugar is combined with the juice, and then transfer it to heat. You want to heat the juice and sugar on low to medium heat just until the sugar has dissolved. Now you can see all of the sugar is dissolved, so I can remove it from heat. Now add about half of the water into your jug and then add the lemon syrup and top it up with the rest of the water. Serve the lemonade fresh, or you can also store it in the fridge for later. If you want, you can also decorate your lemonade with some lemon slices and some fresh mint. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for some more delicious recipes and fun tutorials. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.